Hi you guys, welcome to the FeminaXGoodHomes Indulge Fest. Oh, I'm Ronitaa, Italia, and I'm here with Kothari of Dining Couture. It's a very special segment because I know you guys have been talking food and hearing about food the whole time. What we're doing today is combining food with a stunning table setting, which Ami is going to do for us. Actually, what Ami does is incredibly special because she specializes in some of the most stunning table settings.
Thank you so much.
So over to you.
Thank you, Ronitaa. So we'll first start with the mat, so we know the placements, and then we'll work on the centerpiece. Yeah.
Okay, that's a very good idea. It's a great idea to start with the mats so that sort of organizes your table for you, right?
Yes. And I'm going to use these mats in a vertical manner, and I'm going to let my centerpiece also overlap the mats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So while she's doing this, I want to tell you guys that we're in the very lovely natural setup of the vintage garden, which has been styled by the Borough Market, and it's one of my favorite places. And
would you like to place that one?
yes, of course. I'm a little clumsy, so don't give me the breakable stuff. Also, you will suddenly, when you're not paying attention to me, you'll find me, licking and tasting your cookies.
They're yum. They're yum. I'm just going to put it in the line. Yeah. And then I have these lovely plates, which are actually platters. Okay. But I'm going to use them as my plates.
So should I also?
Plates. Yeah. So I'm going to put the big one here and the smaller one here. So it's almost the same as your dinner plate size.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the same thing here also, right? The smaller one on top.
Yeah.
Like, I'm almost excited. It's almost as if, like we're having guests over and there's going to be a yummy feast at the table.
Yes.
You're giving me a feast?
Yes.
What can I get?
Desserts. The mirror from there. I'll help you.
Oh, nice.
So let's place our cutlery. The fork and spoon.
Tell me what to do. Where to keep
the
it?
fork here. And then the spoon.
I feel like I'm back in school with Mama. Setting a table.
Okay. Great.
Now?
Now we can do the napkins. So I have these lovely personalized napkins.
How do you do them?
So I'm just going to very loosely place them like this. So Ronitaa, this one's for you, but not to eat. First, let's set the table. You can leave it here.
What is happening? So I can eat it later. Okay. So how do I, where am I keeping it?
Just at an angle here maybe.
That's my seat. I'm going to be sitting here and eating all of these desserts that we're going to be setting up here for you.
And they're so cute.
It is. They're very cute. But now tell me something. You've got these monogrammed, the linen. Who's this by?
So they are by this lovely lady, Nandini. She runs this brand called Linen Stories.
Oh, lovely.
Very sweet girl again.
Here?
Yes. Ronitaa, now let's take the glasses, the water goblets. Yeah.
So pretty.
Rihanna. So they're from a rental company in Bombay. They actually rent. So I've just got their glasses here. But they have like silverware,
the dinner
plates.
service.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How cool is that? Listen, considering size of the houses in cities, this is like fab.
Absolutely. And they have some amazing collections. So, thank you. Yeah. Now the fun part.
Okay.
Let's get our cookies out.
Oh, the cookies! Ooh! So pretty!
Yeah,
What are you going to do with the snow?
We're going to put some snow on the mirror actually. So put the two tall ones on the two sides. So these are by Sana, the same.
Oh, the
girl.
same
Yeah.
girl who does the cookies.
Yeah.
My God, it's delightful, huh?
So we keep that
In
in
the
the
center?
Yeah. And then I have some cupcake Christmas trees. That's by Shivani from Sugar Wish.
You know, do you teach table settings?
For me?
Yeah?
Yeah, actually that's what I do and that's what I enjoy doing the most.
Yeah, because you know how naturally it's coming to you, right? You're just handing it over to me like, matlab, keep it.
There you go.
Where? Random.
There, yeah. It'll all fall in place.
House watering.
So I have these fairy lights which I'm going to just place them on the mirror.
Okay, I love this because it's just sort of multiplying the drama.
Yes.
You can see all of it reflected back at you.
Yeah, because of the mirror.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, the sun needs to set.
Okay.
Okay, what do I do with this?
So these are just cookie houses which we can just randomly add to our table.
How is ordering? They smell so good.
They really do.
Okay, don't leave that.
Yes, I won't.
Where do I keep it? On the...
Yes, just wherever you feel like.
Yummy! Guys, y'all don't know what y'all are... So this is done by the same...
Sana. Yes.
Lovely. Y'all don't know what y'all are missing. It's smelling lovely.
Okay, and now the fun part.
Oh, the
we
snow.
add some snow, yes.
So this doesn't affect the wires and the
No,
battery
this
and-
particular fairy light is like waterproof.
Waterproof. What?
Would you like to?
No, I'm very, I'll end up playing with it. Wow. And how easy is it to clean?
You just remove it.
Easily available also?
Yeah. So someone told me you get it at Hamleys, otherwise we also have them, so they can pick it up directly from us.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. So you also then we can get in touch with you for...
So we do workshops and we also have a line of table decor accessories. Yeah, a very small curated line, but we do have one. So, yeah.
Nice. So much fun. Listen, this is lovely even for like a, like an evening party for children.
Yeah,
But I can
or
imagine,
a tea party.
Yeah, I can imagine little girls having a blast with this, yeah. And it doesn't lose shape, it doesn't melt. Does it?
Even if it does, that's what snow would do, right? So it's okay.
Yeah.
It is a little gooey.
It is. But it's that non-messy gooey. It's almost like a face primer consistency. Okay, tell me something. When you put a table like this together, what kind of theme would you call it?
This is a Christmas theme actually, with the houses and the Christmas trees and the ornaments.
Yes, it is.
And
It is. Okay, so when you're doing these tables, when you're doing these workshops and stuff, what do people ask for like the most?
So I think most, and even I encourage, is using things that you have already at home. So like these jars, a lot of people have them at home for candies or for sweets or things like that. So just trying to use what you have at home differently and in multiple ways.
Yeah, I think that adds a lot to even our daily lives, right?
Yeah.
Also, I think what the lockdown has done, what the pandemic has taught us, is to make the most of
Whatever you have.
every single day that you're living, that
True.
you're sort of, you wanna make the most of what you have around you. You wanna be the best version of yourself with your family, and I think things like this just make that possible, right?
True.
Thank you so much, Ami. It's been incredible. But now, before I let you go, can I please have my bite of like the cookie?
Sure. Thank
Are
you
you going
so
to have a
much.
bite of the cookie yourself?
Sure. I'll
Share mine.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. Thank you, Ronitaa.
Yum.
Yum.